Hi and welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I hope you guys are staying safe. So let's talk about CVS, the new ad. I know it's already July. Well, the ad is going to be for July 5th. And I already have top 12 deals and I'm going to go over them just to make it easier for you guys to understand how they work or what kind of coupons or CRTs you need. Also, keep in mind that I love to include a printable list, but I did something new. I'm actually sharing something new, guys. There's two different options. You're able to choose the original printable list that it looks just like this one, or you could pick this version, which is going to show you exactly the deal, the breakdown, the picture of the ad, and you could just take notes. That way you're ready when you go couponing. So I hope that you're able to print them. The link is going to be provided below, which is going to take you to my website. Next, let's talk about this deal that's happening, this event that is happening from CVS. It says that members get a free gift each day starting July 5th to the 18th. I checked on my app yesterday as I was doing my deals and I saw there was a free offer already. I sent it to card and it says that it expires today. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see that. I don't know if that was a mistake, that it started a little early. Or if you're going to be able to see it today, but just know that starting on Sunday there should be free products in the app. So if you don't have the app, go ahead and install it because there's so many great deals, good coupons that you're able to find in the app. So now let's go ahead, and this is how the coupon looks like, and that's the offer that it applies to. As you see, I clipped it yesterday, sent to card, and it expires on today. And this is the item that is included, which is pretty cute. Colorful bandages. Another thing, there's going to be probably products here that you're going to be able to submit to iBoda app. Shopkick is an app that I love to use anytime I go to a store. You open it, and sometimes you get kicks, as you see here, for an example, just for walking into a store or for scanning some items. Flus is another one that anytime I'm buying a product, especially online, I use the app. pggoodeveryday.com. I love this new program from P&G. You're going to be seeing deals from P&G, so go ahead, once you buy the products from P&G, submit your receipt so that way you get points. And we already got some free gift cards just for submitting our receipts to PG Good Every Day. Fetch Rewards is another great app, and there's always new coupons coming up. You want to see what those new coupons are, you could go to my website excitedforcoupons.com, and on this side, newest coupons, you're going to be able to see them there. So let's go ahead and start with the first deal. I'm excited for this deal because, guys, everybody could do this deal. Well, hopefully if you have this coupon. This CRT printed for everybody this week. Is printing this week, and go ahead and hold on to that CRT. This deal is buy two get four. As you see the price in my store, they're for $4.99. Buy two. So now your new total is $9.98, almost $10. Use those coupons. Use that CRT that you see in the picture and that manufacturer coupon. That way you just pay $3.98 out of pocket. And after you get that $4 extra bucks, it's going to be free. So you're going to be paying a little bit less than $5 out of pocket, and you're going to be getting that free item. And the bonus on top of this is that this qualifies for the beauty club. So now let's talk about another item that qualifies for Beauty Club. If you buy these two together, you're almost there. Physicians Formula, as you see, is going to be on special. Buy two, get 10 extra bucks. And it's also letting us know the amount is not going to be a mystery coupon. We actually know the amount of that CRT. And and you're going to find that in the Extra Care Coupon Center. Go ahead and scan your card. Get that coupon. It should look like this one. It will just say just Physicians Formula. And what you could do is, here's the deal idea. Buy two of the coconut milk eye makeup remover for $7.49. That will be a little less than $15. And use that Extra Care coupon. If you have any other coupon that has to do with cosmetics, go ahead and use that. I haven't seen one in a while. That's why I did not include it on this deal. Pay $10.98, get back 10, making it just 98 cents. Or 49 cents each. Such a great deal. This deal I wanted to include it because I found this strange that I got this CRT that it says 2 off 10. I got this in my app, in the CVS app, deducting 2 off 10 for you buy ice cream. And there is a coupon right now in the app as well. There's also a printable coupon in case you want to buy more than 2. you could go ahead and do that. You're not going to be getting any extra bucks, but it is buy one get one 50% off. And as you know, they could be a little bit pricey. In the store, at least on the website, it says that they're for $5.99. So the other one is going to be for $3. That means half off. Sorry guys, it says $14.98. That was an error there. But it will be just those two items. I did put $14.98. I believe it's because you need to buy. I want to reach those $10. This is right. I want to reach the $10 and it's buy two and then buy the other one half off. If you instead, what you could do is find an ice cream for you to reach that little bit that you have left. In here, it will be $8.99 if you buy two of the Ben and Jerry's. So that means you're off by almost $2. So if you could find a different type of ice cream that is $2 in the store, then go ahead and add that to this deal. So then you could just use the manufacturer, use that CRT. That means you reach the $10. But if you don't, then go ahead and buy three of the Ben and Jerry in total. Use one of the manufacturer coupon. Use that CRT. Pay $12.23, or it will be $4.08 for everything. I'm just giving you this deal idea just for the Ben & Jerry, but if you do find something, another ice cream, just so you can reach the $10, if you have this CRT, then it will be a lot less. Guys, I'm excited for this deal. This is spend 30. In this case, you do have to spend 30, as you see in the ad, on any of the products that you see with the heart, that gift card heart almost look like. So anytime you find this in the ad, it is part of it. You just have to do is reach $30 to get those 10 extra bucks. So I'm going to give you two deal ideas. In this case, let's go ahead and buy these three different deals as you see. Herbal Essence, 2 for $12. Pantene, it says seashell for this week's special. Let's say it is 3 for $12, which normally it is. But also you're going to be getting a coupon in the red box machine of $2. And the Tide liquid. So let's say the Pantene is 3 for $12. Herbal Essence is already telling us it's going to be 2 for $12. And the Tide is $5.94. It's also letting us know what those coupons are going to be. So we are getting P&G this Sunday. So for Pantene, the coupon will be deduct 5 when you buy 3, which I'm glad is back for that value of that coupon. Herbal Essence also for 4 off 2. Tide is going to be for 2, and that instant coupon that is letting us know we're all going to be getting it. In addition, if you have the CRT that you see in the picture, go ahead and use it. 4 off 18 for any hair care, or maybe you have the 4 off 14 for Pantene, and some of them do say Pantene and Herbal Essence. Go ahead and use them. And if you have this extra CRT that says 2 off Pantene, it says Aussie or Herbal Essence Bio Renew. Now you'll pay $10.94, but you'll get back 10. Remember, for spending 30, making it 94 cents for this whole trip, or just 16 cents each. Such a great deal. If you don't have these two CRTs, then it will be $1.16 each. I'm going to give you another deal idea. This is just by the Pantene, by 3 for $12, if that's the price. Once we see it on Sunday. Buy one of the big Tide that is for $11.94. You see it here in the picture. And then you could buy the regular size Tide that is for $5.94, which is the one you see here from the ad. Right there, you have reached $29.88. And then use the coupon, deducting 5 for Pantene, 3 for the big Tide that you see here, 2 for the small Tide that you see here, the instant for the Pantene that you see here, the CRT for laundry that says 3 off 15, and that CRT that I showed you previously for Pantene. Now you'll pay $12.88. You're going to get back 10, making it 58 cents each. Now let's talk about a different deal. Brookside is going to be on special 2 for $6. And if you buy just one, it will be $3.79. But in order for you to get that extra bucks, you need to buy 2. So the best deal is buying 2. This printed this week. Hopefully you guys were able to get it. This is Hershey's or Brookside pouches. And as you see, the regular price is $4.99. So go ahead and buy 2 for $6. Use that CRT. Pay $5, but get back 2 extra bucks, making it $3 or $1.50 each. Here's another great deal happening for Crest. there's two deals here. We have the Crest Pro Health, the rinse, and then we have the Scope. As you see, there are two different prices, two different deals. This one, if you buy one, you get two extra bucks, and for the Scope, you buy one, you get three. So here's the best deal idea. Buy two of the Crest Pro Health and buy one of the Scope. So that's a total of 3 items you're going to be putting in your shopping cart. Which coupons are you going to be using? You're going to be using coupons for P&G. It's letting us know that they're going to be cutting it. It does not mention we're going to be seeing in the app. Hopefully we do get it in the app. That's the reason why I only put 2, because that coupon of $1 might apply for both products. And remember that the P&G coupons, usually they have a limit of 2. So that's why I'm just putting 2 coupons. One follow the rules of those coupons. But if we do have an extra coupon for the other product, we will know on Sunday. Then there is a coupon in the app that says 50 cents for Crest. I'm not sure if it says toothpaste. I know it says Crest, so hopefully we're able to use that for this deal. And a CRT that says 3 off 12 for toothpaste or mouthwash, which it does apply for this deal. Pay $9.27, get back 2, and then get back 3, making it $2.27 for everything, or 76 cents each. Here's another great deal, and here is the CRT that I wanted to show you. Let's just change it up a little bit. Let's just buy 1 Crest Pro Health, 1 Scope, and 1 contour toothbrush, which this is another deal for the contour toothbrush. Here's a CRT. I'm putting these 2 because you might have one or the other, and they both should work fine. And it does say toothpaste, mouthwash, or toothbrushes, and in this case we're buying toothbrush and mouthwash. So once you buy all 3 products, the price of the toothbrush retails for about $5.19. It might change in your store, but that's the price I saw online. The total will be $14.97. Use 2 coupons for the P&G, 1 for each of the mouthwash. That app only that I mentioned, the digital coupon for the digital is saying that you can send it to cart. You see the picture here. And then the CRT 3 off 12 or 3 off 15, whichever CRT you may have. Now you're going to pay $7.47. You're going to be getting back 2 extra bucks, 3 extra bucks, and another 3. That makes it a final price of free and 53 cent moneymaker. A great deal that I want to mention, and in here the deal is buy 3 get 8, and it includes Gillette disposable razors. This CRT that you see here, it says 5 off 25 for Gillette. It does say men's razors. It says refill blades or shaving creams. Or if you have the 5 off 20, that will work perfect. 3 off 12, depending which one you may have, or just wait on Sunday to see which one you get. It does say men's razors, so just make sure that you do get the ones that says men. In addition, because you want to reach the 25, and it does include shaving creams, then you could buy one of the Gillette cream. I saw it for $2.09 as well online. So now you have reached $26.06 to reach those $25. What you're gonna do is get coupons from P&G and Retail Me Not. There's coupons for $5, as you see in the ad I was talking about, just for the Gillette razor. And the Retail Me Not is another coupon that you're able to use for depending on the razors that you do get. Then go ahead and pair it with that CRT 5 off 25. Now you're gonna pay $7.06, but you're going to get back 8 in extra bucks for buying 3, making it free and 94 cent moneymaker. These are the ones that become a little bit challenging, to be honest, guys. This one and Chic, because a lot of the times one coupon may exclude a certain type of, like for example, for Chic it would exclude just Hydro 3, and you can only get the Chic Hydro 5. So in this case, you want to make sure that the coupons that you do have, they match with the product that you are getting. And in addition, you also have to check in the store that that product is included in the sale. Deal is Eucerin lotion. This one is selected, so we're just gonna know which one is gonna be included in the sale on Sunday. Spend 15 get 5. Here you see 2 different sizes. This is 5 ounce or the 8.4 ounce, and I could also pair it with the CRT. The only great coupon you will see is the one online. Just go ahead and sign up in their website. What I did was, because I signed up and I recommended one of my emails, I was able to print a coupon that's $3. So what you could do is buy the 5 ounce is $6.29. The 8.4 ounce is $9.59. So right there you reach the $15. Because the printable does say it needs to be 8 ounce, then you could just use one of those coupon, but you could just buy both of the 8.4 ounce if you guys would like, and it would just be a difference of a few cents at the end of the final price. So go ahead and use one of the printable, use the CRT, pay $9.38, get back 5, and it will be $4.38. It is not what the best deal, because we have seen this almost free, but I mention it in case there's other great CRTs that may come up on Sunday, and it will be $2.19 each. So the next thing I want to talk about is Poise Pads. This one is pretty easy to do, and it's digital. You could just go ahead and do it. Sometimes these coupons, you may see them available on Saturday, sometimes a little before, but most of the times you see them available on Sunday. So just wait on Sunday in case you don't see it. So you can send it to the card if you're going to be doing this deal. This is Poise Pads, and it says 11 to 30 count. They're going to be on special for $5.99. So go ahead and take advantage of that digital for $3. That's a pretty high value coupon. So that way you just pay $2.99 in the register. So you have a $3 ECB. This is a great deal to use that extra bucks that you may have that might expire soon. And then at the end of that receipt, you're going to be getting 2 extra bucks, just making this a deal just 99 cents. Another great deal happening is Maybelline. Well, it does happen every week. I think this doesn't fail. We usually see this deal on Maybelline, but what I'm excited about is because we have CRT and we have printable coupons. So that makes it even better. Buy 2, get 5, and you could do this up to 3 times. So go ahead and buy 2 blush and 2 single eyeshadow. And we want to reach those $20 to take advantage of that CRT. So that would be at $20.56. Then use printable coupons. I'm going to provide the link below. And take advantage of it before they're no longer available, and also select it in your app if you like. Then pair it with that coupon that you see here, that you may see it in your app, or that it printed probably this week for you. Pay $11.56, but you're going to be getting back $10 in extra bucks, because remember, for every 2 that you buy, you're going to be getting a 5 extra bucks, and you could do this up to 3 times. So you're going to be getting back 10, making this $1.56 or 39 cents each. And so guys, this concludes this video. These are all the best deals that I was able to put together for this new ad. Many great deals. Don't forget to, if you like to print those printable, you could print both, or you could just print which one you would choose. That link is going to be provided below. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next video. Bye.